As we think about mobile device integration and what it means to us as an out-of-home provider, it truly is understanding all the ways, whether it's using that device for insights and audience understanding, to brand connection, to serving ads, so that we can make sure that we are connecting with the consumer on their device, whether it's their phone, their tablet, as we get into wearables, with the message that we have on our boards in a way that is either real-time or properly retargeted later, so that we can create extension and amplification of our messages. It's unfolding in a way that's very exciting because it truly is about making that connection. And that connection can happen in a number of different ways as brands tell their stories. There needs to be that awareness on the larger screens that create that awareness. And then you can drop down from that broader message to deliver value for someone on the devices they carry, whether that's a coupon or an offer, a connection to social that starts on the device and goes back to the big screens and generates further conversation. And in ways like that, the connection between out-of-home and mobile truly is amazing and powerful, and it's where we're all headed. I would say the brands and their agencies are at various stages of exploration to implementation as technology evolves. So whether it's the kinds of geofencing and retargeting we have now, down to at the street level, creating a street level exposure at something like a bus stop, and then someone could tap their phone through NFC and make a connection. That's going to continue to evolve as we look at beacons and other kinds of engagement technologies, and probably continue to evolve as the wireless mesh grows and you're creating these pervasive connection points. And it's up to us as platforms and marketers who service our clients and consumers to think about how we continue to make those connection points happen. As we roll out opportunities like NFC level engagement in bus shelters and other consumer street level options, for example, without a doubt, we see great creative bring consumers over to tap or swipe with their phones to create that additional connection. We have interactive shelters in San Francisco where we've had brands run campaigns where you will start engaging with content on that shelter, and then when your bus arrives, kick it right to your mobile device so you could pick up that experience as you go about the rest of your day. When it comes to privacy, it's as we get into a world where the Internet of Things goes from buzzword to reality and we're hyper-connected, it's just being sensitive to the layer at which we guide our brand partners to think so that we're conveying value to a consumer in exchange for information they wish to provide. And it's less about the challenges we face than just being sensitive as an industry to making those connections in a smart and proper way that's respectful of all of those who messages can and do touch. As we think about where Clear Channel needs to go to continue forward in the world of digital and mobility, it truly means we have to constantly assess and grow and refine our systems so that our digital systems are open and connected and speaking the same language as other people's systems. It's about API to API. It's about understanding purchase models and dynamic content and making sure that we can speak to other systems in a way that brings us the great content that brands want to convey to their targets who we can reach and make that content robust and engaging and fit the needs of the client's campaign.